In this video, I'm going to show you why puzzle books are still one of the best ways to make money on Amazon KDP even in 2025. I'll walk you through the types of puzzle books that sell best, show you real examples that are making consistent sales, and explain how you can start creating your own even if you don't have design experience or a big budget. We'll also talk about how the most successful self-publishers are building full puzzle book brands, not just publishing one-off random puzzle books, and why you don't need to reinvent the wheel to get results. Hi, and welcome to Self-Publishing Central. My name is Caroline, and every single week I share real strategies, case studies, and behind-the-scenes tips so that you can build a thriving self-publishing business. If you've ever wanted to self-publish books on Amazon but feel overwhelmed by writing or design, puzzle books might be the easiest entry point that you will ever find. They're low content, they're evergreen, they're fun to make, and some of them are earning thousands of dollars every single month. And no, the market is not oversaturated if you know what you're doing. So let's get into it. Puzzle books are one of the most flexible and diverse niches in the entire KDP ecosystem. Here are some of the most popular and profitable formats that you can create. Number one, word search books. These are one of the most common and consistent sellers. People seem to love word search puzzle books. Personally, they're my favorite kind of puzzle book to do, as in to complete. You can theme them around anything: animals, travel, holidays, professions, inspirational quotes, movies, history, science, the list goes on. They appeal to all age groups, from kids to seniors, and they're often bought as gifts. Giftable books are one of the most profitable books that you can create. You cannot get a better combination of pros than that. Number two, mazes. These types of puzzle books are great for kids' activity books or brain games for adults, or even just to create a whole puzzle book dedicated to mazes. You can create shape mazes, alphabet mazes, number mazes, or themed designs, for example, holiday or seasonal mazes. Number three, Sudoku. These puzzles always have been and are still wildly popular. Many Sudoku books are aimed at adults, seniors, or specific difficulty levels like easy, medium, hard, or expert, but there is a growing micro niche around Sudoku puzzles for kids. Number four, word ladders. These books are educational but fun and actually can fit into either the educational workbook niche or the puzzle book niche. They're perfect for kids' literacy or classroom use, or just for a kid to have fun completing. This niche has almost no competition. I shared a couple of videos recently about this niche, which you can go back and watch after this one if you're interested in that niche. The best-selling books on Amazon are 20 years old and still sell very well, very consistently, and are very profitable. Number five, logic puzzles. Think riddles, sequences, pattern recognition. These puzzle books can be made for both kids and adults, and they're really fun books. Number six, crosswords and cryptograms. Crosswords in particular are a little trickier to create, but still sell very well, especially for hobbyists or themed books. So books like 80s movie crosswords or Bible verse cryptograms. But there is a tool that can help you create both these types of books very quickly and easily. Links are down in the description box below, but keep watching in this video a little bit longer before you do go off and click on any of those links. I've got something exciting for you. Number seven, spot the difference and visual puzzles. These are great for kids' books, and they do require image generation or sourcing, but they sell incredibly well in the right niches. Because they're also more involved and time-consuming to make, that means less competition if you're willing to invest the time to make them. Number eight, themed activity books. So combine puzzles with coloring pages, trivia, or jokes for a more interactive experience. These can get really popular for travel, holidays, and gift occasions. The power of puzzle books is that they're low content, but high engagement. People buy them to use, not to read. They fill a specific need, which can be entertainment, education, or brain stimulation, and they often get bought in multiples. Or when someone completes one, they come back to buy another one. Let's take a look at what is actually selling on Amazon right now. So first up, we have Word Search for Kids aged 4 to 8. This book is a very simple black and white word search book with large print puzzles. It's got fun themes like animals and food, and solutions are at the back. It has a lot of reviews. It regularly ranks in the top 1,000 in books. It's currently got a bestseller rank of 590, which when we pop on over to the Kindlepreneur book sales calculator, enter that bestseller rank in, it means it's selling approximately 3,000 copies every single month. This book and brand is consistently one of the best-selling books on Amazon. This book is self-published. It has a clean cover with nice, bright primary colors and big clear fonts, basic interior, but very strong niche targeting. It's been selling for a couple of years now, and it brings in consistent sales. You can see here from when it was very first published, it very quickly became one of the best-selling puzzle books. Estimated earnings from kids' word search puzzle books can be anywhere from $1,000 to $8,000 per month from just one book. Next up, we have Maze Puzzle Book for kids aged 4 to 8. This is another great example of a book that is super simple to make using the right tools. This book is also self-published, and it just contains a range of different maze styles from easy to hard, obviously just relevant to young kids. This book currently has a bestseller rank of 4,551. If we pop that into our book sales calculator, with 113 pages selling for $9.99, the estimated monthly royalties come out at around $2,500 to $3,000 per month for just this one book. And again, this is a self-published book. No team, no name, just a well-executed product. Number 3 that we're going to look at is the ultimate activity book for kids aged 6 to 8. This one is a little different. It's more geared towards being educational, and it doesn't focus on one type of puzzle. It's full of all different types of puzzles and activities to complete. It's got crosswords, word searches, mazes, dot to dots. Again, another example of a self-published book that is a bestseller in the puzzle book niche. It has been around for not even a year, but has sold consistent since it was newly published. It has a bestseller rank of 3,456 with 107 pages selling for $9.99. And so it's making an estimated $3,000 to $3,500 in royalties month in and month out. There's clearly demand here, which means that there is a huge opportunity for us self-publishers. Here's the secret sauce of puzzle books. Once you create the first one, you can scale them like crazy. Let's say you publish a very specific word search book, word search for dog lovers. That same format can be repurposed for cat lovers, horse lovers, space nerds, history buffs, holiday word searches, travel lovers. I could go on and on. You've got just one format, dozens of themes, and guess what? Most of the customers who buy these books don't care who the self-publisher is. They're looking for a fun experience, not a literary masterpiece. The same goes for mazes, Sudoku, logic puzzles, and any other type of puzzle. The layout stays the same and only the content changes. Once you've built your first puzzle book template, it becomes incredibly fast to turn around new books. And these types of books are perfect for bundling into a brand or a series, which we'll get into in a minute. But before we get into that, over the last few years, I have shared lots of tools and resources for creating puzzle books. Everything from word search generators to maze builders to word ladder creators and more. But one of the biggest challenges I hear is this. It is hard having to buy all these tools separately, and it's not just something I can realistically fit into my budget. Well, something new is coming. Soon you will be able to get access to all the puzzle book tools in one place, one membership, one full toolbox for word searches, mazes, and more. And yes, this is something that many of you have been asking for. I'll be sharing all the details very, very soon. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss it. All right, let's get back to why puzzle books are such a smart niche. Let's bust one myth real quick. Aren't puzzle books oversaturated? People love saying that something is oversaturated. And the answer, no. Not if you niche down and use the right angles. This is why this niche is still profitable today and will be for years to come. Puzzle books are evergreen. They never go out of style. Word searches and mazes were selling 20 years ago, and they will still sell 20 years from now. New themes are always emerging. Pop culture, trends, holiday events. You can ride topical waves while still using the same base format. Customers don't just want one. Most people who enjoy puzzles buy multiple books. They finish them. They give them as gifts. They use them during travel, during holidays, classrooms, retirement homes, and more. Puzzle books are consumable. So just like coloring books or workbooks, they get used. And that means repeat customers. Puzzle books are purchased year round. While some books are seasonal, puzzles sell during school breaks, road trips, winter holidays, summer boredom. They have clear word targeting. If someone types into the search bar on Amazon, easy Sudoku for seniors, they are telling you exactly what they're looking for. You don't have to guess and you don't have to invent new genres. The demand is already there. So no, this niche is not dead. It is not oversaturated. It's just matured. And that means your success depends on choosing the right niche, delivering quality, and publishing consistently. Let's say that you create a maze book for kids aged 4 to 6. What happens next? You can instantly expand into related books. You can do maze books for different age groups, mazes for holidays like Halloween, Christmas, and Easter. You can create travel themed maze books, or you could create combo books, so mazes and coloring in one book. You can create maze books by difficulty, so easy, medium, hard, and then all of a sudden you've got a series with a consistent brand, meaning using the same fonts, using the same layout, style, the same logo or publishing name. You start to build brand recognition. Your customers come back looking for more books from you. You get more organic sales, and Amazon's algorithm starts recommending your whole series. And this works for all types of puzzle books. You're not just publishing random books, you're building a self-publishing puzzle book brand. This is how many of the successful indie publishers I follow have built full-time incomes, not by chasing trends, but by mastering one format and then scaling it into a series and into a brand. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but I'm not a designer. And that is totally fine, because you don't have to be. The tools that are available today can generate puzzles automatically, purely based on your input. For example, you're creating a word search puzzle, and so you upload a list of 40 words, and the word search generator tool automatically creates a full word search with the solutions. Or you might be creating a maze puzzle book. All you need to do is select your desired maze size and the difficulty level, and the maze tool generator generates dozens of mazes instantly. Drag and drop template tools help you format your pages into ready to upload interiors. You can even combine different puzzles into one book and create activity books. So something like word searches plus Sudokus plus trivia, and then theme it all around a specific topic. These tools are browser-based, affordable, and user-friendly, but to be honest, having to purchase and manage multiple tools can be a pain, and it's out of budget for some people. That's exactly why I'm so excited about what's coming soon. One platform, one membership, all the tools. No more having to pay upfront for every tool that you might need to create a range of different activity and puzzle books. You'll have everything that you need to create puzzle books fast, efficiently, and at scale. If there's one thing that I've learned from years of self-publishing, it's that you don't have to create something complicated to build a profitable book business. You just need to create something that people want and then make it easy for them to find it. Puzzle books are exactly that. They're in demand, they're simple to create, they don't require any writing, and they can be scaled into full brands with consistent income potential. And if you've ever wanted a faster way to create them, stay tuned. I'll be sharing the full details in just a few days. In the meantime, let me know down in the comments, have you ever published a puzzle book? What kind are you most interested in making? If you did enjoy this video, YouTube thinks that you might like these ones too, so please go check them out to learn more about creating your own low and medium content books on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.